A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Christian Simius, last seen in the area of the 1200th block of West 3rd Street in Riviera Beach, Florida, who was last seen wearing a gray shirt, gray shorts, and red Spider-Man shoes. The child may be in the company of Jan Simius. They may be traveling in a 2019 black BMW 440i Grand Coupe, GA tag number TBZ4664. The vehicle has tinted windows. If you have any information concerning the whereabouts of this person, please contact FDLE or the Riviera Beach Police Department at 561-845-4123 or 911.